How to master OPPO A56S easy format with hard security reset. Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are fine and happiest. Today with you an important video which is how to master OPPO A56S format easily with hard security reset. I hope you like it, but before watching, subscribe to the channel so that I can present to you everything that is new. And now let's follow the video. Tips and tricks to fix OPPO A56S problems. This phone has 5G connectivity for broadband internet access. We can use two different phone numbers that are on standby together. But we can only receive one phone call at a time. The first operating system uses Android 12 and Color OS 12.1 OPPO user interface. The processor is powered by MediaTek MT6833P Dimensity 810 with Mali G57MC2 dedicated GPU. The screen size is 6.56 inches with a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. We will provide more solutions and review on how to fix OPPO A56S PFTM20 problems on www.hard-reset.org community. What are the advantages of the specifications and features of the OPPO A56S? GSM 3G HSDPA or 4G LTE network with dual SIM card slot. 6.56 inches, 20:9 aspect ratio. Octa-core processor 2x2.4 GHz Cortex A76 and 6x2.0 GHz Cortex A55. GPU Mali G57 MHz 2. Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi. The internal memory is 128 GB or 256 GB. 8 GB random memory. The dual main camera is 13 megapixels f/2.2 plus 2 megapixels f/2.4. The main camera features autofocus, LED flash. 8 megapixel front camera for video meetings and selfie photography. Android 12 operating system. LiPo 5000 mAh battery. How to fix OPPO A56S recovery is disabled, unresponsive, crashes, stuck, frozen or bricked issue. This phone has a large internal memory of 128 GB or 256 GB. There are many apps ready to be downloaded from the Google Play Store. Please be careful before downloading new or not popular apps, because some of them may contain virus, threat or malware. They can steal our data or install unknown apps without notice. OPPO A56S will have some problems if you install these kind of bad apps, like it hangs, freezes, becomes slow, stuck, broken, or the touchscreen LCD is unresponsive. These types of apps will not get the code information verified by Play Protect. What should we do? Please try to remove temporary files and cache from the internal memory by doing a soft reset or reboot. We may get some help from antivirus apps like Avast or Norton to find the suspected app and fix some bad settings options. We can also clean temporary files and cache at any time by restarting or rebooting. This procedure will not remove any installed apps and important data, so we can do this process anytime we want. Please do not install APK from unknown source for safety reasons. How to force shutdown, force soft reset, reboot or reboot in OPPO A56S. RAM is used to support multitasking. OPPO A56S has 8 GB of RAM. Some other installed applications may also crash, making the LCD touchscreen unresponsive. We have to force restart or soft reset or reboot by pressing and holding the power button until The OPPO A56S turns off or turns off. It is recommended to perform a reboot or reboot anytime we want, because it can help make our OPPO A56S faster. Any temporary files and cache will be removed. All apps and data will not be removed or erased due to a soft reset, restart or reboot. How to backup data or contact on OPPO A56S. This phone has an external memory slot for a micro SD/XC memory card. We can copy and paste all the important files, photos and videos from the internal memory using the Android File Manager. We can use a USB data cable to connect to the computer. After our phone is recognized by the computer, then choose the important files using the Computer File Manager and copy them to the security location on our computer. We can also connect OPPO A56S flash drive to USB OTG port. If our OPPO A56S has already logged in with a Google account, by default our contact will be synced in the background with the Google server. Please make sure that we check all contacts on the Google Contacts server using web browsing to make sure they are backed up. Please note, these options below may not work for some devices due to firmware update version, hardware issues, or some other possibilities. First step: hard reset OPPO A56S with software menu. Turn on the OPPO A56S. Make sure the battery is not empty. Make a backup of important data in OPPO A56S, because all data and apps will be erased or deleted. Go to Menu, Setup, choose Tab, General, tap Backup and Reset greater than Restore Factory Setting. It is better not to check anything in the option if you do not want to clear the data in the Data section of the internal memory. Choose Reset Phone. Your OPPO A56S will do the master reset. Hard reset for OPPO A56S. Step 2. Reset OPPO A56S to factory defaults using the hardware secret button key. If we can't go to menu, OPPO A56S can't turn on, hangs, freezes, so we can't access menu setting or nothing happens while touching the screen. Try to factory reset using secret button and hardware key. Turn off the OPPO A56S. Make sure the OPPO A56S battery is already full or more than 50%. Press and hold the power button plus volume down button. If the logo appears, release the button, and then we'll enter some menus. Choose Wipe Data, Factory Reset with Volume button, press Power button to enter or OK. OPPO A56S will proceed with the master reset. Wait for several minutes until your OPPO A56S starts like new again. How to unlock, fix, bypass, or solutions for OPPO A56S. Forgot your password. Security lock screen pattern, or PIN, lost password. It is always very important to secure our important data and videos of the images captured from a dual camera of 13 megapixels for wide view and 2 megapixels for depth of field. We can choose to activate the fingerprint or face detection to make sure that our data is protected from unauthorized users when our OPPO A56S is away from us, stolen or lost. We need to choose a secondary protection for backup such as password, PIN or screen lock pattern. Why? When your OPPO A56S restarts or restarts, fingerprint or face detection will not work from the beginning. However, problems will start when we cannot unlock this phone or the fingerprint is not working. What should we do if we have forgotten or unable to unlock the security protection of OPPO A56S? There is nothing we can do unless we do hard reset or master format using hardware button combination key like the steps in the second step. For more security protection, The latest Android version has FRP, factory reset protection. So it will ask your previous Google account username and password to bypass the FRP question. How to force soft reset, restart or reboot a locked OPPO A56S smartphone. If we can't turn off our OPPO smartphone, please force a soft reset or reboot by pressing power button plus volume up button for several seconds, usually less than 10 seconds, until this phone restarts by itself. Is this any secret code to do format OPPO A56S? There is no secret hidden code for OPPO A56S to bring it back to factory defaults. We need to choose one of the following options above for the hard reset. How to format or wipe phone memory in OPPO A56S. When we need to remove or wipe any data and apps from our OPPO A56S, please do the hard reset or factory reset. Please choose to erase all data, internal storage when our phone has that menu. Performing a hard reset or factory reset will remove any registered Google account from your OPPO A56S. How to make OPPO A56S battery stronger, longer life and not drain fast. The OPPO A56S PFTM20 uses a large battery for a full day's activity by using its 5000 mAh battery. If we want to make the battery run longer, we suggest doing some tuning such as making the LCD brightness as low as possible. We also need to disable all connections that are not in use like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or GPS. NFC is not installed on OPPO A56S. At the end of the video, I thank you for watching, and I hope you have solved the problems. And see you in a new video.